as the message has been consistently said, this is not a new issue for me. I was fighting it in Pennsylvania and now in Congress fighting it because I'm happy to join all the members who are part of this effort to help this life-saving legislation, an important tool in the toolbox. It is something long overdue. It is something we should do. The message is very clear that there needs to be accountability and very clear not to be taken for granted. I'm happy to join with every single colleague in the House or the Senate and every organization that's part of this effort to make this happen. And this will happen. We just need to have the tenacity to stick with it and understand that we can make a change. But we can only do it by working together. So I applaud each and every House member and senator and organization that is a part of this effort to make a difference.